back, or welcome to the channel. Today we're doing a YZ250. Finally got approval on the design, and I just made everything up and prepped all my plastics. New set of plastics for it. Front fender, rear fender. This is going to be a blast. Shrouds and number plates, and then some fork guards. And then he had an aftermarket piece for air cleaner breather, and I have to remove that and make a template. I haven't done that yet, but I have done this. Got a new design for it. Those are the shrouds and numbers, and then this is the center. I haven't haven't taken this apart yet. I'm gonna do that now. This is Substance Moto. It's their Moto line. I can't remember the number for it, but I don't use their laminate. I use their, it is their laminate, just not their motocross laminate. I feel like I get a little better maneuverability with 3150, I think it is. I haven't done these things in a while, so let's see if I had 147 grams of pressure through this. It didn't go through the backing paper. Oh, it did a little bit, so it should be all right. Let's weed that quick, and then we can pick a starting spot. Hopefully not mess anything up. It looks like it cut well. When I set these up, I leave a, I take my templates, I put a 1/4 inch outline on them, and then I mask with that outline and use the template as a cut path. So I have bleed because for whatever reason, this stuff doesn't like to align properly when it reads the dots to cut. It'll skew sometimes either way. I can already see on a couple of these it did. So adhesive on this stuff is more aggressive than your ex-girlfriend who drank a lot. But everything cut good, so I'm happy with that. Good. Without a bleed, if I did right to the edge of the design, there would be some white showing and not, the white of the vinyl. So always put a bleed on your stuff. Save yourself wasting material and aggravation. This stuff's hard enough to do. You don't need to be aggravated while you're doing it. And now we can see how good the template is that I purchased online for said plastics. I got this template from, I think it's MKS online. I think it was 39 euros. So overseas company, but they emailed it right away, so no complaints. Not emailed, they emailed the download link, and I paid for it and had the template within like 30 seconds. Nice. Camera died. All right. This stuff likes to get very static, cling. But some of the best motocross material I've ever used. It kinda makes this fun. So I'm just gonna check my coverage. That looks pretty decent. Here goes nothing. I don't do a ton of these things, and I probably should wear my gloves, but this adhesive is so aggressive that I don't want to wear my glove because I'm afraid of pulling lint. So I'll just hit them with some wax when I'm done. And I color matched a blue print to what I thought was close to these plastics, and it looked close before, but now I'm thinking it looks a little bright, but you know, it is what it is. There we go. Try not to get, I guess, yeah, you know what, I'll put gloves on because I'm already feeling the adhesive. All right, that blue's not terribly off. That'll do, pig. Could have went up a little bit, but it's on there now, so that's where it's staying. A little bit of air. This material is so nice. Just a little bit there. That's good though. That is good. Now this looks like a bundle of fun. Oh yeah, that's gonna rock. All right, let's give it a go. I'm going to use that to line up. A little off. Yep. What can I put that on to hold it flat? Maybe that'll work. So these cutouts, no, it's not really, well, these are lint free, so this cut, get off there. Cut. Oh, part of the plastic. This cutout and these cutouts have to line up properly. So we'll try again. I need a way to hold this. Oh, what can I? Nope. What about this? I'm gonna ruin a paper towel if the vinyl touches it, but static. Perfect. Try again. So now I can hover this over that. And I am liking that. try to work in circles or radiuses when I do this. It seems to apply the vinyl better without leaving a what would you call that? Ripple? I don't know. I'm just riffing. Get this off of here. All right. So that could have went up a little bit, but that says that has to go that way a little bit. But for the most part, I'm happy with that. All right, that and that. Now this one, same but different. There's no, how did I do that before? Just ruining paper towels. It's all right, paper towels are cheap. Vinyl is not. Vinyl and time is not. Get in there, you son of a... Oh, I just ruined a bunch of them. Oh well. What are you gonna do? All right, so gonna hover on this one again and hope we can actually, that right there. We'll try that. Nope. A little bit. Nope. There we go. Get my glove out of there. Again, working radius when you can. Puts the tension this way and this way instead of just, you know, pressing it in there to where it would, the tension would be where it wants to lift up. Now it wants to go with the plastic when you can. Right, and the same with this, what I was talking about. You do that, you'll get a wrinkle in here, but if you go with the radius of it, you force that wrinkle out, and then this tension that's here, once it rolls over, it tends to stay put better. It's just getting it to roll over without kinking or leaving a glue line. Take this off of here. Oh, I go through so many paper towels here that really hurts my... Oh, well. And then that, so that rolls over. Now all that tension is pulling it to the plastic instead of stretching this and then it wants to pull back, you know. Physics, maybe? I don't know. My daughter would know better. She's a smart cookie. I have a little bit of a finger in that there, which probably, it is a radius, but if it was radiused a little bit more, it would be better. Okay, so those are for the forks. Insert motocross noises. Give you a second. All right. Pretty symmetrical still. I don't know. Oh, I guess they're going to be there. There. Pretty good. These have a bag. I'll put bag everything up in a little bit. All right, what do we want to do next? Fender, rear fender.